of the monster was
Uh-huh.
the eyes was pitch black, and the eyes was nowhere to be found.
The ice is nowhere to be found.
Yes, and the skin of the monster was dark red
Okay.
with a bit of small dot black dots.
The skin is red with black dots.
Yes,
Okay. And saan nakatira? Where do they live? The monster.
and the forest with no people in it.
The forest. Forest. Is it dark?
Yes, dark.
Really dark?
More dark than 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 the night.
Then the night.
Yes.
And then what should we bring so that we can survive the
We should bring a lighter and definitely a weapon.
a weapon.
Yes.
What weapon?
What you want that is strong to beat the monster.
Okay. Like what? Like a lighter or flashlight? Is it pitch black?
Yes. It's pitch black. It almost looks like Zookeeper from Zoonomaly, but if you watch that's scary.
That's scary, really.
Yes.
Oh,
And even Smiling Cat too.
smiling.
Giant Smiling Cat is more creepier than Smiling Cat. Smiling Cat is white with a bit of dots that is black.
And what do they eat naman?
They eat humans.
Humans.
Yes, because depending on the Smiling Cat, they eat humans.
Oh, really? Can we ask them not to eat humans? Instead, I'll bring them kuchinta.
You can bring them fresh meat.
Fresh meat.
Yes, that is not cooked.
Uncooked, raw? Like raw meat?
Yes, they need fresh meat to survive.
Oh, they need fresh meat. But can we bring them Can we give them pandesal instead?
No, they don't eat pandesal. They eat fresh meat.
Only fresh meat.
Yes, that is not cooked.
How about eggs?
No, they don't eat eggs.
Fresh meat like fresh chicken, dead chicken,
Yes,
like that?
yes.
Oh my god, that's so scary. What else? What else?
And if this is the way to survive Smile Cat.
Oh, okay.
First step, if you see a cat and it smiles at you, never open the door.
Never open the door.
Yes,
So it's like a bangaw.
yes, it will eat you.
It will eat me. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Is it the end of your story?
No. And if your owner bring a cat that is smiling at you, never let it sleep in your room.
Never let it sleep in your room.
Yes, if it's smiling at you.
Why? Why?
Because it will eat you at night.
Oh.
And if you see a face of a cat and the moon, look away immediately.
Oh, look away immediately.
Because that means there's a giant smiling cat.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh.
And do not eat smile cat.
So, how can we kill the How can we kill the monster?
You need to follow that steps. If you do that, you should be okay. Good luck.
Okay, sige na. Thank you so much. Say bye-bye na yun.
Bye-bye.